Based on the regulation of cardiac activity, hearts are two types: neurogenic and myogenic heart. Neurogenic and myogenic hearts. Neurogenic heart. Impulse of the heartbeat comes from the outside of the heart. In neurogenic heart, impulse of the heartbeat comes outside the heart. In myogenic heart, impulse of the heartbeat generate in the heart. These impulses are origin from the neurons. These impulses are origin from the SA node. When neurogenic heart removed from the body, the heartbeat is stopped. Myogenic heart removes from the body, the heartbeat continues for some time. When provide proper nourishment, proper favorable environment. Examples: earthworm and cockroaches contains neurogenic heart. Invertebrates contains neurogenic heart. Humans contain myogenic heart. The normal activity of heart is regulated by intrinsically. It means auto-regulation. Normal heartbeat is regulated by intrinsically. It means auto-regulation. Auto-regulation by heart is auto-regulated by specialized tissue present in the heart is called nodal tissues. These nodal tissue generally regulates the heart, internal heartbeats. The cardiac center is medulla oblongata. The cardiac center is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata regulates the cardiac activity by autonomous nervous system. Medulla oblongata regulates the cardiac activity through autonomous nervous system. Autonomous nervous system consists of two types of branches: sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system increase the heartbeat, increase the strength of ventricular contraction, and increase the cardiac output. Parasympathetic nervous system decrease the heartbeat and decrease the cardiac output. These two are antagonistic. Next, hormones. This is neural control. This is hormonal control. Hormones. Adrenaline, noradrenaline, and thyroxine. These are increase the heartbeat. Adrenaline and noradrenaline derived from the adrenal medulla. Adrenal gland contains two regions, outer cortex, inner medulla. Adrenal medullary region secretes adrenaline and noradrenaline hormones. These two are increase the heartbeat. These two are not antagonistic. These two are increase the heartbeat. Thyroxine also increase the heartbeat. To blood vessels. Blood vessels forms a tubular network. Blood vessels forms a tubular network. Blood vessels forms a tubular network that permits the blood from the heart to all body parts and then all body parts to heart. Leaving the blood from the heart through the vessels. These vessels diameter is decreases. These vessels diameter is decreases. Blood leaving from the heart that passes through the blood vessels. These vessels diameter is decrease. These vessel diameter is decreases. These vessels are aorta, artery, arteriole, and capillaries. The diameter of these vessels decreases from aorta to capillary. The blood enters into the heart. The blood enters into the heart. These vessels are venules, veins. The blood returns to the heart from capillaries through a vessels. These vessels diameter increase. These vessels diameter is increases. These vessels are capillaries, venules, and the veins. These diameter is increased from capillary to veins. Capillaries are microscopic structures. These capillaries connect the arterial blood with venular blood. Arterial blood to venular blood are connected by capillaries. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are three types: arteries, veins, capillaries. Arteries and veins. These are contains three layers. These are tunica externa, tunica media, tunica interna. Tunica externa, tunica media, tunica interna. Tunica externa. Tunica externa is formed by collagenous fibers. Is formed by connective tissue. Tunica externa also called tunica adventitia. Tunica externa also called tunica adventitia. It is formed by connective tissue. Tunica media is formed by smooth muscle. Tunica interna is formed by basement membrane and endothelium. A simple squamous epithelium. This is basement membrane. This is endothelium. This is tunica externa. Additionally, these three layers present in the arteries and the veins. These are elastic lamina. Elastic lamina is additional layer. In arteries, two elastic laminas are present. These are present between the tunica media. This is elastic lamina. In arteries, in veins, only one elastic lamina is present. This elastic lamina present inner lining of the tunica media. This is arteries, this is veins. This is elastic lamina. This is endothelium. Elastic lamina, tunica externa, tunica media, tunica interna. The sequence of arteries wall: tunica externa, elastic lamina, tunica media, elastic lamina, tunica interna. The sequence of veins wall sequence: tunica externa, tunica media, elastic lamina, tunica interna. Differences between arteries and veins. Arteries transport oxygenated blood away from the heart, except pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery contains deoxygenated blood. It transports deoxygenated blood into the lungs. Pulmonary veins carries deoxygenated blood towards the heart, except pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein receives oxygenated blood from the lungs to heart. Arteries are bright red in color. Veins are dark red in color. These are present in deeper region of the body. Veins are present in the upper region of the. These are present in deeper region of the body. These are present in the surface region of the body. The wall of the arteries are thick compared with veins. Artery wall is thicker because of the well-developed musculature present in the arteries, and elastic lamina. Two elastic laminas are present in the arteries. So artery wall is thick. vein wall is thin compared with arteries because of the musculature is lesser developed and one elastic lamina is present. One elastic lamina is present. Arteries, the diameter of the lumen is narrow. Lumen is narrow in arteries. Lumen is narrow in arteries. Lumen is wide in arteries. Lumen is narrow in arteries. Lumen is wider in veins. Valves are absent. Important point. Valves are absent in arteries. Valves are present in veins. The tunica, the endothelium is the endothelium. The endothelium double folded to form valves. These are the valves. Endothelium forms valves. Valves are absent in arteries. Valves helps for the blood flows towards the heart. The blood in arteries, the flow of blood in arteries are high pressure and wave-like movement or jerk movement. In veins, the blood flow is low pressure and straight line. Low pressure and straight line flow. Arteries ends with capillaries. Veins starts with capillaries. Arteries ends with capillaries. Veins starts with capillaries. Next, capillaries. Capillaries are smallest blood vessels in the body. Tunica externa and tunica media are absent in capillaries. So thinnest wall, single layered cells present in the capillaries. These are simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium or endothelium. Endothelium present in the capillaries. This is essential for this thin wall helps for the more exchange between the blood and the tissues. More exchange between the blood and tissues. Larger blood vessels contain small blood vessels. Larger blood vessels contain small blood vessels. These blood vessels are called vasa vasorum. These vasa vasorum also called vessels of vessel. Large blood vessels, examples aorta, etc. Large blood vessels contain smaller blood vessels. These blood vessels supply blood to large blood vessels. These vessels are called vasa vasorum. They are also called vessels of vessels.